Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the readings and liking the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel, click the bell icon so that you're notified. Now I have started bringing in videos from time to time, so if you click the bell icon you will be notified when the premieres are happening. And let's go to your favorite cards. I know by now some of you must be really excited that the Kali card has come back again, and I really love you guys, when you get so much of excitement when you see the Kali cards. Now let's see. I'm just picking the first card. It's Dhumavati. I will also pick one more card. I don't know, I just feel like picking the next card itself, Bhairavi Yogini. So let's see what it is that the cards are saying today. Usually, Dhumavati is a widow goddess in the Dashamahavidya, and her name means she who is made of smoke. Actually, that is what Dhumavati means, dhoop, which is the smoke. So she is a person, but where there is fire, there is smoke, we say. So she is a goddess where it actually sometimes when she comes, it means it's a disappointment, there is loss. So maybe today you will be disappointed for few things. You will feel as if things are not the way you want. You will be forced to accept that whatever is happening. But I will just say one thing: sometimes instead of avoiding the reality, if we accept the reality and if we work towards it, then our day will be really good, and we will know that things will work. Because the second lady who has come, which is the Bhairavi Yogini, she is fierce, she is sacred, she is the form of Kalima, but the wrathful form of Kalima. But at the same time, her presence basically is where we are ready to face our fears, we are ready to handle things around us, and we don't care about anything anymore. So in that way, she is the person who works beautifully, and she exists in our Muladhara chakra, which is our base chakra. So today maybe you can work on unblocking your energies and not getting upset over whatever has happened, accepting that whatever is happening today is actually good, and just focus on it. Look at this card. I'm going to bring in a closer view of the card. Gaze at this card, gaze at this, and absorb the energies of this in your base chakra, in your Muladhara chakra. Now when you're absorbing the energies of this in your base chakra, just say Jai Ma Kali. Just say 21 times Jai Ma Kali, Jai Ma Kali. When you're looking at this image, you can even pause the video here and 21 times say Jai Ma Kali, and then you will feel as if your root chakra, the base chakra, is activated and you're feeling energized and ready to face the whole day. Today, wear the color light green, because if anything happens, you need to be completely healed and be at peace. Today in the evening, while coming back, if possible, go to some temple, burn a lamp. Any lamp is okay, whether it is a ghee lamp or a gingerly oil lamp. Just burn a lamp and come, and you will feel very happy that the day has gone good. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.